So here they have the ATK X1. Current list price is about $50. I pay about $50. And this one is the ATK X1 V2 Ultimate. Current list price is $90, and I paid about 78 and 62 cents. Both with delivery to the United States. So it's a pretty straightforward, not nothing outstanding about it. This is pretty bare bones. It include like just the cable and the mouse itself and the USB dongle. So this is pretty much all it contains. So, yep, I'm gonna tear this down. And so this includes the mouse, the diamond dongle, and cable. So this is pretty much what this one contains. All right, let's start with the dongles. This is V1 and this is V2. The V1, the cable is a little more flimsier on V1, and the V2 is definitely a little more sturdy, like heavier and thicker. The dongle is just like, this is like a nano version, and this is the diamond dongle. These ones, this go up to 1K, and this go up to 8K. From the distance that where my computer sits, my CPU case where this dongle is attached to my current desk, it's about 2 to 3 feet. It's not much, and the signal is pretty great on the nano, even greater than my Logitech dongles. So no issue so far, at least none that I can detect with this small dongle. And on the ATK gear, this I think it's called a diamond dongle. Yeah, pretty much the same, just that even better because you have it like sitting lying somewhere around your desk. I would say, to be honest, this one I only use it up to 1K. I know it can go beyond that, but I think that most people don't need that. I don't, so I don't use it. I don't use this at the high resolutions possible, so I couldn't attest whether it's better or not. But for all intents and purposes, they behave pretty much the same at 1K. All right, differences. The first one we can see the physical differences will be like the logos are different, the fit are different, And this one has an extra button. Battery life, this is 500 milliamps and this is 800 milliamps. I have this 2 months. I got this 2 months ago. I used it for about a month, and I charged it twice. One when I got it, and the other one about 2 weeks in. This I got it a month ago, and I've been using it since. I charged it once when I got it, and I haven't charged it so far. And last time I checked, it has like 60% battery left. So yeah, it's pretty worth it. I think the V1 feels like a little bit more hollow. It makes more noise when I shake it around. You can hear this. I will go like this. You can hear that. And this, nothing. So definitely V2 has better construction, way better battery life. It feels like more, the construction feels like a little bit more solid. It's not, it might be heavier, but you don't really notice it that much. It's more like it's more solid construction. This is more squeaky. Other than that, the balance is pretty much the same. No, yeah, this could be a little heavier on the back. I'm not sure. I think, just not to make this any longer, I think V1 and V2 physically are pretty much the same. What the main changes are the logos and the feet, which are different, and the fact that these are mechanical and have a higher, make a little higher nose, and this is optical, and a little more subtle noise. Scroll wheels feels about the same. The side clicks, it's about the same. The way you move it around, it's about the same. I think this one perhaps fits a tad faster, and this feels a tad heavier. But you know, given I just casually play Fortnite here and there, I'll stick with this just for the superb battle life. Well, that'll be it for today. Have a nice day.